Hello everyone. Let's talk about BTC and maybe we will talk about Ethereum as well. And let's plan out our trade setups, how we can trade. September is here, everyone is calling September to be bearish, so we don't really care about them. We will see what the charts are doing and see if we have any good trade setups or not. So starting from the Bitcoin weekly chart, so this was the fake out that we discussed in many of our posts that this is weekly SFP, weekly fake out, and it played out pretty damn well, I would say. So what can we expect now? So this is your 2024 all-time high, okay, and somehow price is uh, kind of above it now, and price took out the last week low as well and bounced. So where do I see? I know everyone is bearish right now, but if you look at on the left side, you have a good daily demand right there. Okay, Bitcoin is bouncing from that zone, and then you have this low on the daily, and you have this as your weekly demand. Okay, so BTC tap that we. I know it's a big zone, but it's a high time frame, so you have to keep that whole zone in your mind. So this whole area is weekly demand. Okay, so you have a cluster of support sitting right below these prices. This whole area is good. Uh, is the bottom already in? Maybe, but I think as long as we are above this, players will not going to have this easy ride. If you drop it down to even lower time frame, players have been getting this ride for since BTC hit 124. So I don't think they will keep getting this free ride. If this is the area I want to see BTC, let's just remove all of these drawings, and this is the area that I want to see BTC reclaim. Then I'll be much more confident that bears Bitcoin is now ready to uh, punish these bears. Okay, so this is the key zone. Above this, I think we will go up, take out one of these highs. Uh, until then, as long as we are below, maybe it's possible that we see one more dive down. Okay, and then from these lows, I will be looking to buy BTC. I'm not going to flip bearish, knowing the fact that we have cluster of support over there, and we have everyone being bearish. So me personally, I will still be looking for some buy setups on BTC, maybe not BTC, but on Ethereum. So we have two scenarios right now. Scenario one is BTC reclaim 112k. Okay, the longer price will hold, the likely we will see price taking out one of these lows highs. Okay, so this is scenario one, and the scenario two is going to be And the scenario 2 is going to be a rejection from the same zone back to maybe take out these lows, or the weekly demand we have. It's so scenario 2 is dropping down into this zone, and this is where I will probably start buying around 15k, and I'll keep buying as per dips and ride it back to these highs. So this is my plan for BTC. Right now it's in the middle of nowhere, so I do not have any entry or trade plan for BTC until we see a reclaim of 112k or a pullback again. Moving down to the Ethereum. So Ethereum still looks fine. It's still holding its structure. it's bullish and it will remain bullish as long as we are above 35 34 4,000. So what is the trade plan for Ethereum? Let's mark out. So you have this this 12-hour demand on Ethereum. So far it's holding. So where is a better trade setup? I think once Ethereum will reclaim this zone 4500, above 4500 the longer price will hold, the likely we will see it going back to these highs. Okay, this is the first scenario. Just like BTC above 112k, it's a good trade setup. And similar to BTC, Ethereum, if it reclaim 4500 above these highs, I think it will provide a really good trade setup, and the invalidation will be this slow. And the second scenario, the same as BTC. If we see a rejection on BTC, we will likely see Ethereum going to 4,000 or 3,900, and this is where and it's this weekly demand on Ethereum. This is weekly demand. Okay, the same as the BTC weekly demand. If it drops down to, if we see a pullback on BTC, I think we will probably see that on Ethereum as well. And from there, just like BTC, from there I'll be buying Ethereum and probably will ride it back to the highs. So these are my trade plans for Ethereum and BTC right now. Uh, for now, I don't really have any good trade setups, but these are the scenarios that I'll be looking for Ethereum and BTC. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.